Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable, interesting video. Today in this video, we're going to talk about board for advanced ruling. Yes, a very important amendment proposed in budget 2021 for complete overhauling of system for advanced ruling authority. Now the new system has been proposed and the name of the new system is board for advanced ruling. On the date of notification of board for advance ruling, the bar provisions, all the pending applications before authority of advance ruling will be transferred to bar. Yes, the day when the notification will come for applicability of bar provisions, then all the pending applications before authority for advance ruling will be transferred to bar. Yes, means authority for advance ruling will discontinue soon and all the pending applications will be transferred to board for advance ruling. This is the first thing that has been announced in the budget 2021 in finance bill. The working of bar board for advance ruling would be faceless. This is also very important point. I would say that the working of bar would be faceless. Yes, because authority for advance ruling is not faceless. Yes, but the new board for advance ruling will completely work on the principles of faceless, as now assessments are faceless, appeals before commissioner of income tax is also faceless, and now one more development in the faceless scenario is that the board for advance ruling will also going to be faceless, as well as in the finance bill 2021 itself the working of ITAT will also going to be faceless soon. So let's check out what is the difference between the old system and the new system. The old system talks about AAR, that is authority for advance ruling, and the new system talks about BAR, that is board for advance ruling authority. Let's check out what's the prime and what's the important difference between the old system, that is authority for advance ruling, and the new system, that is board of advance ruling. Authority for advance ruling was introduced by Finance Act 1993. Means it is a way old concept introduced in Finance Act 1993, and board for advance ruling introduced by Finance Bill 2021. A very latest and new development has taken place in I would say in litigation resolution and dispute resolution, that now we have a new board that will going to replace authority for advance ruling, and the name of the board is board of advance ruling, introduced by Finance Bill 2021. Now what will going to be the composition, right? Let's check out and what is the difference between the composition of both, between AAR and BAR. So who will going to be the members, the composition of advance ruling authority? Who were the members? A chairman. The chairman compulsorily must be the retired High Court or Supreme Court judges. The vice chairman, retired High Court judges, and one law member as well as one revenue member. Now, what will going to be the composition of board of advance ruling? Two members not below the rank of chief commissioner. Yes. This is the composition of advance ruling, that there will be two members who will not below the rank of chief commissioner. So this is the composition of board of advance ruling. There will going to be the two members not below the rank of chief commissioner. Authority for advance rulings delivered any ruling which will going to be binding on both the parties, that is applicant and the tax department. In the new system, the ruling will be delivered by board of advance ruling will neither be binding on the applicant nor binding on the tax department. No appeal permissible against ruling. In the old system, appeal is not permissible against the ruling of authority for advance ruling. The only remedy that available to the applicant is to file writ petition before High Court. This is the only remedy, and that to the remedy is also known as constitutional remedy. Ruling will be appealable before the High Court within 60 days. So yes, the now remedy is available in the Income Tax Act itself, that appeal against the ruling of the Board of Advanced Ruling is now appealable before the High Court, so there will not be required to file writ petition within 60. The time limit of filing is within 60 days from the date of communication of ruling. So this is one of the major difference between the old system and the new system, that in the old system appeal filing is not allowed. The constitutional remedy available is to file writ petition before High Court, and in the new system it is allowed to file appeal before High Court within 60 days from the date of communication of ruling. Now, what was the problem with the old system? Serious delay has been observed in delivery of ruling due to vacant positions of chairman or vice chairman. Yes, the positions of chairman and vice chairman that has been reserved for the retired judges of Honorable Supreme Court and High Court. So the positions lie vacant for long period of time, and because the positions remains vacant for long period of time, then the delivery in ruling got delayed substantially. This was the major problem with the old system, major problem with the Authority for Advanced Ruling. Now the Board of Advanced Ruling, the new concept, may speed up delivery of ruling as chief commissioners will be the members and not the retired Honorable Supreme Court or High Court judges. So the problem has been resolved, and the speed of delivery of rulings by Board of Advanced Ruling is expected to be better than the speed of delivery of ruling by the Authority for Advanced Ruling. So the major problem has been resolved in the new system, because the members will not be composed of the retired High Court, Supreme Court judges. The members will be composed of the chief commissioners of the Income Tax Department. So it was all about a knowledgeable, interesting video about a recent development that has been proposed in Budget 2021. If you really like this video, please click on the like button. Share this video with a lot of people, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. Thanks a lot. Bye.